Garmin watches estimate battery percentage using Coulomb counting, which tracks the flow of electrical charge, and voltage measurements to determine remaining power. Several factors can cause inaccuracies in this estimation. Skipping full charge-discharge cycles prevents the watch from properly calibrating its battery gauge. Firmware bugs in older software versions can lead to incorrect calculations, especially during activities like GPS tracking. Over time, lithium-ion batteries degrade through repeated charging cycles, typically lasting 500 to 1,000 cycles before accuracy suffers. Environmental conditions, particularly cold weather below freezing, can temporarily inflate battery percentages due to slower chemical reactions in the battery. Understanding these root causes helps explain why battery percentages can be inaccurate and sets the foundation for the fixes we'll explore in upcoming sections. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these simple fixes. A soft reset, which involves holding the watch's buttons to restart, can recalibrate the battery gauge. Updating your firmware via the Garmin Express app ensures you have the latest patches and improved battery estimation algorithms. Garmin has released updates that specifically address battery issues, so this is a crucial first step. Garmin watches learn from full charge-discharge cycles. If you frequently top off the battery, the percentage can drift, leading to inaccurate readings. To fix this, perform a full charge cycle. Charge the watch to 100%, use it until it automatically shuts off at 0%, and then recharge it fully. This process can take 1 to 2 days, but it helps reset the battery's accuracy. Think of it like recalibrating a car's fuel gauge. If the previous steps like soft resets, firmware updates, and full charge cycles haven't resolved the inaccurate battery percentage on your Garmin watch, a factory reset may be necessary as a last resort. A factory reset wipes the device completely and restores it to its original factory settings, clearing out any potential corrupted data or software glitches that might be causing the battery reading problems. However, use this only as a last resort. You'll need to back up your data first and then restore it afterward, as the reset will erase all your personal information and settings. By clearing corrupted data or software glitches, the factory reset can help resolve persistent battery accuracy issues that other methods couldn't fix. Newer Garmin models, like the Fenix 8 and Epix 2, feature adaptive battery technology. This uses AI to dynamically adjust battery life predictions based on your usage patterns. These features significantly improve accuracy by learning from your activities to provide more reliable estimates of remaining battery life. Ensure your watch has this feature and that it is properly enabled. Let's examine real-world case studies of Garmin watch battery issues and their solutions. These examples demonstrate how firmware updates and hardware quality control can resolve accuracy problems. The Fenix 7 series experienced erratic battery percentage readings during multi-sport events. Users reported percentages jumping unpredictably during activities involving GPS tracking. In 2024, the Forerunner 965 model had a significant recall due to faulty battery cells that caused inaccurate percentage readings. Garmin identified manufacturing defects in the lithium-ion batteries. The Epix 2 showed battery percentage issues in extreme cold conditions, where temperatures below freezing affected the battery's chemical reactions and led to inaccurate readings. These case studies demonstrate that firmware updates and hardware quality control are essential for maintaining accurate battery readings. Regular updates and proper maintenance can prevent many common issues. Experts emphasize the importance of proactive calibration and regular updates for maintaining accurate battery readings on your Garmin watch. Proactive calibration is essential. Regularly performing full charge cycles ensures your watch learns your battery's behavior, keeping readings accurate over time. Treat your Garmin watch like a smartphone by keeping it updated. Regular firmware updates fix bugs and improve battery estimation algorithms. A Garmin spokesperson explained that while their algorithms handle 95% of variables, extreme usage patterns still require manual intervention for optimal accuracy. The keys to maintaining battery accuracy are regular full charge cycles and staying alert for firmware updates through the Garmin Connect app. The future of wearable tech battery management is heading towards enhanced sustainability and improved battery technology. By 2030, Garmin is expected to adopt solid-state batteries with longer lifespans. Quantum computing-inspired algorithms could enable real-time, ultra-precise estimations. Eco-friendly fixes like battery recycling programs will address degradation issues, promoting sustainability.